I'm going to be focusing a lot in this video and dominantly in this course is how to set up the 497 plan, because this is the real game changer and this is the real software sort of business life. Highlevel also offer a 3-tier plan where I'm going to actually walk you through each of them one by one. The first one is the beginner 97 plan. This is what I would recommend for business owners such as chiropractor, doctor, or real estate agent, where you come in here where you actually don't intend or you don't plan to actually resell GoHighLevel, and you actually want to use this workflow, this website builder, and this automation for your own businesses. 97, very simple. You only get one account. For 297 plan, you will get unlimited sub account, unlimited business account, and unlimited user. Now, just for anyone again who's new here, sub account mean that you have a mini sub account under one big account. Hopefully that makes sense. So what that allow you to do is that once you have unlimited mini account under you can resell that to other business owners such as again chiropractor and hair salon. Really, there's not much different between the 97 and the 297 aside from the unlimited sub account creation there. I'm going to be focusing a lot in this video and dominantly in this course is how to set up the 497 plan, because this is the real game changer and this is the real software sort of business life. Because what it allows you to do is create that software configuration just like the one I showed you a minute ago, and actually allow you to package it and rebuild for SMS and email. So guys, here's the reason. If you in the 297 plan, every account would be the same. You create this account and you give it to, let's say, Mr. John, which is a chiropractor, and Mr. Donald, which is a real estate agent. They would have the same account. For 497, you can package those differently. For example, you can say, I would give this client with this much access because he's only paying me this much, and I would give more access to this client because he's been paying me more. So you can create your own sub tier when it comes to your plan, your packages, and who can access what, right? And that will give you a lot of leverage when it comes to making your offer for your software plan. What Highlevel allow you to do is that it allow you to actually pay annually with a huge, I think it's 20% discount, because what happened is that you only end up paying for 10 months instead of 12 months for the annual plan. So make sure you also check that out. And if you join under our referral link and you go for the yearly plan, there's a huge bonus for you at the end of this video. So guys, so the opportunity here is that you're going to get everything that I just mentioned for absolutely zero risk to you, because there's going to be a trial because we partner up with Highlevel as a platform, and the course that you're going to be getting is also for free. That's going to show you how to set up everything from scratch and actually get your first 10 clients in that 30-day trial period. And you also get access to community support as well as our free snapshot. And for those again who are new, snapshot is a form of template that we pre-build and use for our own business, and it literally just copy and paste straight to your account with just one click. Here, how to do it, guys. Make sure that you use the link underneath this video, right? If you want to make it more simple, just go to vcalize.com/30day. Now, the only one request that I have for you is to make sure that you actually use this in an incognito window. Okay, so we have a lot of requests, guys, where people message us will say, hey, I signed up and I want all my bonus, and we check in our backend that wasn't the case, right? So make sure that you use an incognito window so there's no ad blocker or any cookie from the past affiliate like that to actually interfere with this process. Let me actually just show you quickly what that look like. If you're using Google Chrome or Safari, sure you know what incognito window is. Just go to new incognito window like this, and I would just go back into the thing and copy and paste this link. There's a full link. This is a forward domain link, right? So I'm just gonna go here and go to incognito window and copy and paste it like that. Now you're gonna see a page like this. If you're already a user, you can actually click here, already a user, and upgrade through our link to the 497 plan. That would help us to actually give you all the extra bonus, which I'm going to show you in a second. Right, but if you're new here, just click here, get the extended trial, because the reason why is that if you directly go to Highlevel website, they only going to be offering you a 14-day. Now this is going to like literally double that up to a 30-day, right? Instead of 14-day, it just allow you more time to actually prospect, get more client, and making sure that this is profitable before you actually pay a cent to the software. Just FYI, one disclaimer I want to disclose that this 30-day is directly will put you onto the 497 plan. Let me just show you exactly what that means. Okay, so if you signed up and then you go to setting and billing, it will put you straight to the $497 plan. That does not mean that you can be like locked into it. So at the end, like maybe near, like maybe 2 or 3 days before 30-day trial running out, you can come in here and you click more option, and then you can see you can downgrade it to the other plan. So what that means, guys, if you are interested to get the 97 or the 297 plan, you can always use this link and then downgrade it later so you can get the maximum trial period for your business. Hey, if you're watching this on YouTube and you see the term free course and all that stuff and you don't know what the hell is going on, this video is a free course series that we upload on YouTube as well. Make sure to check the link in the description of this video to make sure you grab our free course and get access to the whole thing where we actually walk you through how to set up your SaaS company from scratch and get your first few clients in a matter of days. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.